Hi everybody, welcome to IISC Engineering Academy and IISC Online. In this video, we'll be discussing about important updates related to GATE 2024 examination. And here, the official website is gate2024.iisc.ac.in. And let us see the home page and see the updates that are there in this particular examination. Now, the first important thing is GATE online application is expected to open by 24th August 2023. So, this is the opening date of online application form. Then, the important dates here are opening date of online application is 24th August 2023 and closing date of regular registration, this is 29th September 2023. Then, end of extended period is 13th October 2023. These are the important dates. So further, I will show you more important dates in few minutes. So before that, let us see what are the important announcements that were given here. So there is a new test paper on data science and artificial intelligence. This is one important announcement. Then the next important announcement is new two paper combinations. There are a lot of variations in the paper combinations that I will show you further. Then withdrawal of international cities. So the GATE examination of 2024 will be held only in India, and if the international students want to write this examination, they have to come to India and write the examination at their own expenditure. Then the schedule of GATE 2024 examination was given, that is on February 2024, 3rd, 4th, 10th and 11th. So these are the dates that were there. Then there are scribe services and compensatory time for eligible candidates. This is also an important update. Then to write mock test of any GATE paper of last year, so there is a provision provided in the website. Now let us go for GATE 2024 papers and syllabus. So if we go for GATE 2024 papers and syllabus, so there is a new paper that was added. So you can see that new paper, data science and artificial intelligence, it is given as new here, and the syllabus is not yet uploaded. So within a short time that syllabus will be uploaded. So remaining all departments or remaining all papers have the syllabus. If you click on this, you can go to that particular syllabus and view the syllabus. So that option is there and you can download the syllabus also. Then there are a total of 30 papers now. In the last year, 29 papers were there. Now an additional paper was added, that is data science and artificial intelligence. Total 30 GATE papers were there. Okay, so this is the thing, and there are new paper combinations. So if we go for new paper combinations, you can see, let me go with the civil engineering part first. Civil engineering students, if their primary paper is civil engineering, so if you opt for civil engineering as the primary paper, the secondary paper you have a choice of taking aeronautical engineering, agriculture, architecture and planning, environmental studies, then geomatics engineering, naval and marine architecture, then XE engineering sciences. So these many combinations are there for civil engineering. Then coming to computer science students, CS students, you have data science and artificial intelligence, DA paper is the second paper option, electronics and communication, geomatics engineering, mathematics, physics and statistics. So this option is there for computer science students. Then here data science and artificial intelligence students, if the primary paper you have opted as data science and artificial intelligence, then the secondary paper can be taken from computer science, electronics and communication, electrical engineering, mathematics, mechanical engineering, statistics and XE engineering sciences. Then coming to electronics and communication students. So primary paper is electronics and communication. Secondary paper you have a choice to take from computer science, data science and artificial intelligence, electrical engineering, instrumentation and physics. So this is for electronics and communication students. Electrical engineering students, if you have the primary paper as electrical engineering, secondary paper, previously only electronics and communication and instrumentation engineering used to be the secondary paper. But here there is an add-on. You can write data science and artificial intelligence or physics paper also. So this provision is given for electrical and electronics engineering students. Now coming to mechanical engineering students. So mechanical engineering students, if you opt for primary paper as mechanical engineering, secondary paper you can take aeronautical engineering, data science and artificial intelligence, instrumentation, then naval and marine architecture, production and industrial engineering, IISC engineering sciences. So these options were there for the students. So there are so many new paper combinations that have come up. So kindly make a note of this one. Now let us see the question paper pattern. So coming to this question paper pattern, here you can see the examination mode at the beginning. Here you can observe that the test papers will be in English and computer based test will be conducted at select centers in select cities. So this is the thing that was given at the beginning. Then duration of examination is 3 hours. For scribe students, there will be an increase in the time duration if they were approved to take. Then the number of subjects, total 30 papers were there, and sections you will have general aptitude plus candidate selected subjects. So this is the sections part here. Now let us go for the types of questions. So coming to the types of questions, so here the candidate selected subject contains multiple choice questions, multiple select questions and numerical answer type questions. So these are the types of questions that will be there, these 3 types of questions. Now let us see what are the questions that are testing the abilities of the candidate. So here the first type of question is recall type of question. The second one is comprehension type of question. Third one application. Fourth one analysis and synthesis type of question. So these 4 different types of questions will be asked in the GATE examination, and the students will be tested with the abilities in problem solving related to these type of questions. Now coming to the distribution of marks in all papers except papers architecture and planning, CY, data science and artificial intelligence, EY, GG, mathematics, physics, statistics, XH and Excel. So here you have general aptitude. General aptitude will be 15 marks. Then engineering mathematics 13 marks plus subject wise questions 72 marks. So a total of 100 marks will be there in the GATE examination. So engineering mathematics is given a double star here. That indicates XE includes engineering mathematics section XEA of 15 marks. So this is what is mentioned here. Then distribution of marks in papers AR, CY, DA, EY, GG, MA, PH, ST, XH and Excel. So general aptitude 15 marks. Then subject questions will be directly 85 marks. A total of 100 marks will be there here. Then coming to the marking scheme, questions carry 1 mark and 2 marks. So this is what is given. Then coming to the most important thing, that is the negative marking. So for a wrong answer chosen in multiple choice question, there will be a negative marking. For 1 mark multiple choice question, 1/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. Likewise, for 2 marks, so 2 marks multiple choice question, 2/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. There will be no negative marking for wrong answers to multiple select questions and numerical answer type questions. There is no partial marking in MSQ. See, what does this mean is, suppose if 3 options are correct, you have put 2 options correct and the third option as incorrect. So you may expect that I have put 2 marks or 2 options correct, third option only wrong. So there should be partial marks given for me. So this kind of exercise will not be there. That is what he clearly mentions here. There is no partial marking in MSQ. So try to remember that if the question has 3 options correct, if you put all the 3 options, then only you are going to get the marks for that question. Otherwise, marks will not be awarded for partial marking in the MSQ. Okay. Now, let us go for GATE 2024 examination schedule. So, coming to this GATE 2024 examination schedule, so here, Saturday 3rd February 2024, between 9:30 am to 12:30 pm, forenoon session will be there. Then 2:30 pm to 5:30 pm, afternoon session will be there. Then what are the test papers? That is not yet decided. That will be given once you have completed all the application process, and depending upon the number of candidates applied in the examination, they will decide on which day, which session, which department students has to write the examination. So that depends upon the application process here. Now, Saturday 4th February 2024, the morning session is 9:30 am to 12:30 pm. This is forenoon session, and afternoon session will be 2:30 pm to 5:30 pm. Then you have Saturday 10th February 2024, forenoon session 9:30 am to 12:30 pm. Then afternoon session 2:30 pm to 5:30 pm. Then Sunday 11th February 2024, 9:30 am to 12:30 pm. This is forenoon session. Then 2:30 pm to 5:30 pm. This is the afternoon session. So total, the first weekend of February and second weekend of February, 8 sessions will be conducted, and the departments will be announced on further process and further date. Okay, so here this is about the examination schedule. Now here there is a tab given, that is download tab. So if I click on this tab, download tab, here question papers of previous years were given here. Now let us see the select years option here. From 2007 to 2023 papers were given. So you can see question papers of 2023. If you click on any department which you require, for example, if I click on civil engineering, so civil engineering 2023 paper is available here. So you can download the paper and prepare on yourself. So like this, if you go for 2007, so 2007 year paper will be there. So you can see how many number of examinations were conducted in 2007, what are the departments there, and you can download the paper by clicking on the department here. So you can see 2007 civil engineering paper is there. So here, if you go towards the end, for some papers official key is also attached, for some papers it is not attached. Okay, so you can see all these things and start your preparation by downloading these question papers here. Now let us see another tab that is related to opportunities here. So if you observe opportunities here, see the graduate aptitude test in engineering is an examination that primarily tests the comprehensive understanding of various undergraduate subjects in engineering, technology, science, architecture and humanities for admission into master's program and recruitment by some public sector companies. So for recruitment by some public sector companies, some of the possible opportunities for GATE qualified candidates are given below. So possible opportunities for GATE qualified students. So here admission, valid GATE score can be used for seeking admission into master's program and direct doctoral program in engineering, technology, science, architecture, humanities. Then second one, doctoral programs in relevant branches of engineering, technology, science, architecture, humanities in the institute supported by the MOE and other government agencies. So this is related to the admission. Now coming to the financial assistant part. So GATE qualified students. So with a valid GATE score, you can seek financial assistance towards master's program and direct doctoral programs and doctoral programs in relevant branches of engineering, technology, science, architecture, humanities in the institute supported by MOE and other government agencies. So coming to PG scholarship. So PG scholarship through GATE and GPAT. So you can see this is the link for viewing the opportunity. Financial assistance given to MTech candidates is 12,400 rupees per month and it will be paid for 22 months. So 22 months this scholarship will be paid. Then financial assistance given for PhD programs. So direct PhD after BE, BTech, MSc equivalent with valid GATE score, 37,000 rupees per month for the first 2 years. So 37,000 per month for the first 2 years and 42,000 per month for the 3rd to 5th year. So this is given by Ministry of Finance, Department of Expenditure, circular number 33. So this is what is the circular number that was given, dated June 21, 2023. So this is about the financial assistance given for PG program as well as direct PhD program. So you can observe this clearly. Now coming to recruitment. See, most of the students will be looking at this recruitment column only to enter into various public sector undertakings. So many public sector undertakings have been using GATE score in their recruitment process. A list non-exhaustive of such PSU is provided below. So the list of PSUs that are considering the GATE score was given here. You can see BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Coal India Limited, then Center for Railway Information System, CRIS, Chenab Valley Power Projects Limited, Damodar Valley Corporation, Electronics Corporation of India Limited, ECIL, Engineers India Limited, Gas Authority of India Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, then Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, National Aluminium Company Limited, National Highways Authority of India, NLC India Limited, National Mineral Development Corporation, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, then National Thermal Power Corporation, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, then you have Power System Operation Corporation Limited, then Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited. So like these, there are so many PSUs which are recruiting the students through GATE score. So you can see some list of these organizations here. Okay. So here GATE scores may be shared with institutions supported by the MOE and public sector undertakings for the purpose of admission and recruitment. So this is what is the disclaimer given in this particular page here. Now let us see the exam cities. So coming to this exam cities, there are a total of 8 zones and in each zone there are a number of examination centers. So coming to zone 1, this is IISC Bangalore. So if you click on this tab, you can see related to IISC Bangalore, what are the tentative list of examination cities and towns. So these are tentative list of examination cities and towns. So depending upon the further proceedings, there might be change in this list of examination cities. Then second zone is IIT Bombay, third zone IIT Delhi, fourth zone IIT Guwahati, fifth zone IIT Kanpur, sixth IIT Kharagpur, seventh IIT Madras and eighth IIT Roorkee. So this is a tentative list of examination cities and there is a chance for update of these list in the website later also, right? Then choice of examination city. So this is very important for the students. You can see that a candidate can choose 3 cities from the list of examination cities given above, all the three choices must be from the same GATE 2024 zone. So try to remember this. So from the same zone only you can pick any three examination cities. Then GATE 2024 reserves the right to add a new city or remove an existing one and allot a city that may not be from any of the choices selected by the candidates. So this is an important thing which you need to remember. Three cities you can choose, and you can choose it from the zone which you have taken as the primary preference. Only from one zone you can pick three cities, right? Then coming to withdrawal of international cities. So GATE 2024 will be conducted only in centers within India. It will not be conducted in centers outside India. Foreign nationals and Indian citizens residing abroad may appear for GATE 2024 by paying the full application fee, rupees 1800 per test paper, but they must choose examination cities within India. So this is an important clause you need to remember. They must make their own arrangements for travel and accommodation to appear for the exam at the assigned center within India. So this is about the examination centers and the information related to the zones. Now, let us see the registration column here. So, here you have eligibility criteria. So, let me click on the eligibility criteria. So, you can see GATE 2024 eligibility criteria. So, here before filling the application process, the candidate is advised to ensure that he/she meets the eligibility criteria for GATE 2024. A candidate who is currently studying in the third or higher years of any undergraduate degree program, or who has completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, science, architecture, humanities is eligible to appear for GATE 2024. This is what is given GATE 2024 eligibility criteria. See, some professional societies, institutions which conduct examination in various fields of engineering are given below. The first one, Institute of Engineers, then Institute of Civil Engineers, Institute of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Aeronautical Society of India, Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers including Polymer and Environmental Group, then Indian Institute of Metals, Indian Institute of Industrial Engineering. So, candidates who possess certification from any such professional societies must ensure that these examinations are approved by MOE, AICTE, UGC, UPSC as being equivalent to BE, BTech, B Architecture, B Planning, etc. So, this is related to some professional societies. Some students might be studying from the professional societies. So, you need to ensure that your degree is an equivalent degree with these and is approved by these government organizations here. Okay. Now, candidates who have obtained or pursuing their qualifying degree from countries other than India. So, candidates must be currently in the third or higher years or must have completed their bachelor's degree of at least 3 years duration in engineering, technology, science, architecture and humanities. So, any candidate fulfilling the above mentioned criteria is eligible to appear in GATE 2024 examination. Then details of eligibility criteria are given below. The first one, if a candidate is pursuing any higher degree or already have obtained a degree higher than the mentioned in the table below, the candidate will be allowed to appear for GATE 2024. Then, candidates with BSc, BA, BCom degrees, 3-year program desirous of seeking admission to master's program in IITs and IISC may refer to JAM 2024. So, this is JAM 2024 website link that is given here. Okay. So, try to understand. You can click on this link and go and see the eligibility criteria. Okay. Now let us see the table here that was given for BE, BTech, BPharm. So here bachelor's degree in engineering technology 4 years after 10+2 or 3 years after BSc diploma in engineering and technology. So description of eligible candidates currently in the 3rd year or higher are already completed. So expected year of completion should be 2024. Then coming to B architecture. So bachelor's degree of architecture 5 years course, naval architecture 4-year course, planning 4-year course. So currently in the 3rd year or higher are already completed. So 2025 for 5-year program, 2024 for 4-year program. So this is expected years of completion that is there here. Coming to BSc Research or BS, bachelor's degree in science, post diploma or 4 years after 10+2. So currently in 3rd year or higher are already completed. So expected year of completion is 2024 here. Now, so try to see these are the requirements that are needed to be fulfilled by the candidates, then only they can appear for the GATE examination. Okay, so coming to the next one. Then the most important part here is integrated ME MTech post BSc. So post BSc integrated master's degree programs in engineering technology 4-year program. So currently in the 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year, 4th year are already completed. These candidates any year passed out can appear in the examination. Then this one integrated ME MTech MPharm or dual degree after diploma or 10+2. So integrated master's degree program or dual degree program in engineering technology 5-year program. So currently in the 3rd year, 4th year, 5th year are already completed. So these students who are having the year of completion as 2025 are eligible to apply for this GATE examination here. So this table is very important to understand the eligibility criteria. So kindly go through this table, then you can understand whether you are eligible to write the examination or not. Now let us see the required documents. So coming to the required documents here. So data requirement for filling the online application form in GATE 2024. So here personal information like name, date of birth, personal mobile number, parents name, parents mobile number, etc. So please note that the name of the candidate in the application form must exactly be the same as that in the valid photo ID which the candidate must produce in original while appearing for GATE 2024 examination at the center. So this is one important point. Then GATE 2024 scorecard will be issued as per the name entered in the application form. So try to be very much careful with this name. Then prefix titles such as Mr., Sri, Doctor, Mrs., SMT, Professor, Captain, Major, Lieutenant, Colonel, all these things must not be used before the name. So try to remember this thing. Then address for communication including PIN code, then eligibility degree details, GATE papers or subjects and their codes in which the candidate wishes to appear, then 3 choices of GATE examination cities from same zone. So this already we have discussed. Then net banking, debit card, credit card, UPI, wallet details for fee payment. Then documents required for filling the online application form in GATE 2024. High quality image of candidates photograph confirming the requirements specified. So you can see the brochure section 4.4.7a. Then high quality image of candidate signature confirming the requirements specified. So in the same brochure section 4.4.7b you can see the criteria required. Then scanned copy of category SC/ST certificate in PDF format if applicable. Then scanned copy of PWD certificate in PDF format if applicable. Then scanned copy of certificate of dyslexia if applicable in PDF format. then scanned copy of any of the valid photo identity document, preferably Aadhaar UID, passport, PAN card, voter ID, and driving license should have the name, date of birth of the candidate and unique photo identity number. So this must be carried in original to the examination hall for verification. So try to remember this carefully. Then please ensure that the original and scanned documents are readable. Uploading illegible document may lead to delay in processing, and in case it is not rectified by the candidate within the deadline, it may lead to rejection of the candidature. So try to remember this carefully. So these are the things that were given related to the required documents. Okay, now let us see about the application fees part. So coming to the application fee, during the regular period, between 24th August to 29th September 2023, female candidates SC, ST and PWD per paper, it is 900 rupees, and during the extended period, that is between 30th September to 13th October 2023, it is rupees 1400. Then for all other candidates including foreign nationals per paper, it is 1800. So in the extended period, that is 30th September to 13th October 2023, it is 2300 rupees. See, if a student want to write a single paper, then he needs to pay 1800 rupees or 900 rupees depending upon the criteria here. If he wants to appear in two papers, then double the amount of this should be remitted. Okay, so try to remember, PWD means persons with benchmark disability. So the above application fees are for single paper. The fees for candidates opting for double paper would be twice the above mentioned fees. This is what I have told you earlier. Now, there is one more important thing here. You can see charges for changes, modification in GATE examination application. So, if you want to change or modify the application form, which is applicable from 8th to 14th November 2023, if you want to change the name, then fee charges per paper is rupees 500. Then change in date of birth, fee charges per paper 500. Change in choice of examination cities, fee charges per paper 500. Then change of existing paper, again it is 500 rupees. Then add a second paper from given combinations with respect to the primary paper. Then rupees 500 plus suitable amount per paper for the candidates category. So either it might be 1800 or 900 depending upon the category that he belongs to. Okay. Then change of gender to female. So if you want to change the gender, suppose somebody have kept male instead of female, a female candidate who has updated as male in the application and she wants to change it. So then 500 rupees should be remitted and that modification can be done. Change of gender from female to any other gender, 500 plus 900. So rupees 1400 for all other candidates. Then change of category to SC, ST, this is 500 rupees. Then change of category from SC, ST to any other. So rupees 500 for female candidates or PWD candidates. Rupees 500 plus rupees 900, that is 1400 rupees for all other candidates. See, due to the pressure while applying for this GATE examination, sometimes students might commit mistake. So my suggestion is that please ensure that you are applying in a proper way and ensure that all the categories, everything you have kept correctly. Otherwise, you have to pay additional amount for changing all these things. So you can see for each and everything there is a fee that is taken extra for modification. So try to remember one more important thing here. There will be no refund of any fee other than for multiple transactions. So this is also given in the website. So this is about GATE 2024 examination updates that were given in the official website. Okay, so try to check this carefully before applying, and official brochure will be released. So go through the official brochure for further doubts.